Let's explore how Cephable can help us design websites and tools like Figma. Keep in mind, Cephable is compatible with most of the design applications that you may want to use, like Canva, Miro, Adobe, etc. And some may even come with their own pre-built app controls. If they don't, however, creating a customized set of app controls is super easy through the App Controls tab and just clicking Create App Controls from here. That being said, let's do something simple and kick off design for a website that lists some interesting facts about octopuses. First, let's have Cephable generate some content for us to use in this website, just to kind of mimic if we were given a document that had this information already. So I'm going to tell Cephable, make sure it's on generate some content and facts about an octopus. Cool. We'll let that run. Awesome. This is some pretty good quick facts about them. So we'll use this in our Figma design. We're going to be using some of the functionality of Cephable with voice controls and some features available in Cephable Plus and higher, like intelligent dictation and voice mouse. So let's go ahead and enable microphone to get started with that. I'm going to first create a new design project here. And now I want to get some kind of template in. So tap assets, type examples, tap portfolio, tap insert instance. Awesome. This looks exactly like what I want to kick things off with. First thing I want to do is update the background of this to have an image. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll upload from my computer, and it's just this one right here. Open that up, move it a little bit. Perfect. I think it looks okay. So now we need to get this title moved. So let's see how we can start doing that. First, we'll have to detach these and then remove auto layout. Perfect. Should allow me to move this around. Awesome. Now we have a kind of normal title from this document. So let's go ahead and get that moved over. Copy. Paste. Align left. Type intelligence. Start dictation. They are renowned for their high intelligence. They can solve complex puzzles, open jars, and navigate intricate environments. Stop dictation. These were just some quick examples of how we can utilize Cephable alongside the app controls with our other voice, mouse, and dictation features to kind of stay in the zone and generate content within Figma. There are tons of other controls we didn't get a chance to use in this demo, but definitely explore them and feel free to make your own and see what type of powerful tools you can create to stay engaged and stay designing.